Well, hello there. We are about to reveal to you another furnishing project by Lehem Interiors with our exquisite furniture specially supplied by La Casa. I am always excited for house tours. Are you? Well, buckle up, get your ringers and follow me. For the entrance nook, that's where we're going to be starting our video today. Well, we accessorize this area with this beautiful console table with a white veined marble and some nice black sturdy legs. And of course, above it, we have a round mirror. This is quite a modern touch nowadays, and it creates a nice contrast because the rest of the items are quite geometric and aged. And then on top of it, we have this nice textured vase, quite large with a beautiful flower arrangement just to create interest and make the space stand out as you walk into the home. So walking into the living room area, our corridor here, we accentuated it with this beautiful gallery wall. Just a few sets of pictures. As I always say, artworks are a must. They definitely accentuate the wall and add some interest as you get into our living room area. In the living room area, we have this beautiful minimalist sort of layout with our sofa adorned in a beautiful gray fabric and with just a little hint of leather to just give it that eccentric look that I think just gives it such a nice luxe feel. It looks really unique and just adds a touch of elegance. On this other side of the living room area, we have added a pop of color with olive green accent chairs that look absolutely beautiful. The feel and look is quite contemporary, so they just merge together with our sectional sofa really well. And in the center here is a side table with beautiful accessories, just tying together the living room really well. Above our coffee table, we have accessorized it, of course, to bring in a little bit of aesthetics into the space, and scents are always important, guys. Always remember the sense of smell is also important. So candles or this will totally do for this space. And hey, we have some entertainment piece over here. Hey, do you want to play some chess? Oh, after the video? Okay, my bad. I got a little bit distracted. Let's get back to our house tour. Moving into the dining area, we have this beautiful set that is, of course, just giving opulence. I am totally loving this dining table, meshing two different marbles. So we have white, we have black, and even the ratio in which they have divided it is just simply beautiful. On top of that, this has been paired with beautiful black leather chairs that look absolutely amazing, and to add interest and contrast into the space, the either ends of the table have completely different dining chairs, and this just makes the space look absolutely amazing. I mean, I know you're thinking it so. To tie together our dining room composition, we have this beautiful pendant light right above it, a little bulky, a little large to bring in that little bit of depth in the space, but it looks really great. It ties together with the items pretty well, and yeah, that is our absolutely stunning dining area. Welcome to the guest bedroom. Over here, we just played a lot with neutrals, keeping it, very subtle for whichever visitor is going to be visiting this home. So you can see we have a beige sort of headboard with some, geometric lines, just, really simple but really nice. And then on our bed, we have accentuated it with this nice pillows, very comfortable for sleeping. And of course, our accent pillows over here, still giving into that, neutral tones, but with a bit of pattern, making it very interesting. Our throw blanket over here is also giving a bit of those geometric patterns, tying with the headboard. Everything is just coming together really well. Now, we have a showstopper over here. Look at the bedside tables. The colorful terrazzo finish is to die for. I am totally loving this. And of course, the side table lamps, I think, are also really beautiful. They give a really nice glow. So they're not only adding aesthetics, they're not only functional, they're also task lightings that you can use at night when you don't want that bright light. And so this space is just really, really nice and works together, is quite functional and so on. above our head, look at this massive pendant light. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. It's quite geometric, just giving in that really modern touch. So that is our guest bedroom, just putting together and tying together a lot of geometric shapes from our headboard to our rug at the bottom, our pendant light above. So I think it's a really fun way to also play around with design. You can take that as an advice, think about playing around with geometrics. It's a really nice and playful way to also make a room look really aesthetic. So we have landed on the first floor and we are in the family area. I mean, this is an important space in any home. It just gives the family that space to just, sit together, enjoy each other, get comfortable, watch something, and so on. So we have this beautiful, 2 frames on the wall, and they just accentuate the space really well. On our sitting arrangements, we have this nice V-shaped sofa that just looks really contemporary and amazing. And on the side, it is attached with a sort of table that is very, useful when it comes to functionality. So somebody seated on this corner will be able to enjoy a drink and even have a place to place it without worrying about anything. And the center here, we have this beautiful coffee table. It has a really nice texture, sort of a rough, cold look that just feels very natural. I absolutely love that. Now, to complete the look of this space, we have this big, bold accent chair just sitting at the corner, sort of anchoring the rug over here. And it just looks really modern. It looks really comfortable. I think, yeah, this is very comfortable. It would be such a nice addition to this particular space. You can sit here and watch, relax, read a book. It's really nice, a beautiful touch. So yeah, that's it for our family room, and we are now going to check out the bedrooms. For our little princess, we went ahead and threw in mostly neutral colors in the space, but added a pop of color with a little bit of purple, not only adding that sense of femininity, but also a childlike aura. On the side of the bed, we have this beautiful, bedside table in a round shape. I mean, why? This is a child's room, so trying to childproof it is also important, so that if they were to fall or anything of the sort, they will not hurt themselves on the edges or things like that. So, always think about who is going to be using your room so that you're able to pick out the most suitable furniture pieces for that particular space. And of course, above it would have this beautiful, small miniature kind of statue that just looks really great and gives that still child aura that I'm talking about. On the other side of the room, our little princess gets this beautiful comfy chair instead of a burgundy finish that's just really comfortable. Over here, she can do her studies. The table is really nice in sort of a white marble finish, and she has shelving over here for storage, which is very, functional. On top of that, we have to, of course, keep adding aesthetics, so a pop of color with the artwork is very important. And on the carpet below, we have such beautiful textures. This is called a wrecked sand carpet. It looks absolutely beautiful, and it just ties and brings the whole composition of the room together really well. Our master bedroom, we went for more of a minimalistic style, so just working mostly with neutrals, with grays on the throw pillows, our throw blanket in sort of a beige finish, and our rug. I love the rug. It just gives a really nice 3D sort of patterned feel, and it adds a lot of depth and interest to the space. At the corner here, we have this beautiful organic shaped mirror that just accentuates the bedroom really well. It's nice, it's functional, and of course, organic mirrors are what we are seeing coming in trendy in interiors, so it just looks really great in this space. This corner of the master bedroom incorporates this beautiful accent chair that is quite comfortable. On this area, they can always have a sit, maybe just have some time to themselves. They can always have books over here. We also have this nice lamp that can be used as a task lighting when they are reading and so on. So this nook, of course, ties together with the rest of the master bedroom really well and completes the composition of the room. My favorite bedroom is probably the boys' bedroom. Now here we just sipped in a lot of those neutral colors, but brought in a little bit of that masculine touch with the black, and of course the blues that are popping in within the space. Now the black fluted panel on the wall adds so much interest into the space, a lot of depth, and just looks really amazing. Of course, we have our 2 beds here for our boys, and this is in gray tufted material that just looks really nice. Our beddings are in neutral colors, and then just bringing in those pops of color to add interest with our blues on the throw pillow, on our throw blanket. Just looks absolutely amazing. Now, dividing our 2 beds, we have created a balance in this space by adding, a side table in the middle and the nightstand above it. The nightstand is absolutely beautiful with a woody touch, a little bit of black on the lamp that just looks absolutely amazing. And that actually ties together with the stools that are sitting in front of the bed. Same wood touch, we have a wood touch, we have a bit of black. So it's kind of just a design that ties all together. A little bit of black on the flutes, a little bit of black on the lamps, a little bit of black on the stools over here. And now the stools, I think they are very, very interesting. So we have them in this authentic sort of Japandi look with, you know, that raw woody finish, and then the strands over here. They look really, really great. Now, of course, we have a study area here. We went for more of a black look. So here we have a black sort of marble look, and shelving, of course, for, you know, books and things like that. And then we have a study chair in sort of now a blue tone again, just tying together with this space. And of course, accentuated our wall with a nice abstract artwork. So the room just ties together really well. It's absolutely beautiful, and it would work really well for our boys. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Of course, do stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Guys, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share. We'll be truly grateful. And of course, see you guys next time. Bye-bye.